When I was in New Zealand, I stayed in a few farms, and some of them were dealing with bees. Today, I'm gonna show you one of the most memorable experiences I've had, which is capturing a bee swarm. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Oh, that's beautiful. Now, how the hell am I going to get that?
How are we going to get the tractor here though?
Drive it round. Because they won't be going anywhere tonight. They've set up for the evening now.
Yeah.
Run.
Okay, we'll just wait here.
A few moments later.
Sean is going to get into the tractor bucket and knock down the swarm of bees, which is in the tree. You can see like a big ball of thing. Oh, the plastic bag's leaving. Goodbye, plastic bag. No, don't. Okay. Oh, they're just waiting.
Maybe
I want to watch that. Huh?
Just take a picture of your dad. Just take a photo. Oh, he's just showing you how he's going to do it.
So their dad is standing in the tractor bucket showing Sean in the white suit how to get the bees into the box. Kind of not simple. Goodbye.
He's going up in it.
Okay, now Sean is standing in the bucket. You can't really see it from here, but now it's going up. You can see Sean going up in the bucket. That looks very, very strange. It just looks so weird. Now he is sitting in the bucket, putting the box. Dad is saying, hit it hard, hit it very hard, hit it hard, harder. Yes, hard, yes, do it very, very hard. Yes. Oh, he dropped half the slime. Dad just said, close it all up and hold on. Because now Dad is going to put Sean gently back to the ground. This is just amazing because, oh, there's a dog Pip over there by the tractor. They dropped like half the swarm. In that swarm there were probably about 8,000 bees, so that's quite a lot of bees. And now they're trying not to let the bees out. Dad's saying he thinks the queen is still in the tree because all the bees are swarming around the tree, so he thinks the queen is still in there. The queen is like the queen bee is the one who controls them all. I don't know why I said it in that funny voice. Yeah. Okay, yeah. And Sean is going back up into the bucket to try and get the queen bee out of the tree. Can I come a little bit closer, says Sean. Dad says, if I go closer, you'll all end up in the ditch. Because there's a ditch in front of them, as you can probably see there. Sean is standing up and he is hitting more bees into the box. Dad's shouting, close it up, quick. Okay, hold on. And down, down, down they go. Marvellous, eh? Absolutely marvellous. Now he's carrying the box and putting it somewhere. Oh, Dad, the person that's not in white, is taping the box together so the bees can't get out. That's where they're going to sleep for the night, in a cardboard box. As you can see, he is taping it all together.
There you go. Box of bees.
Did you hear that? Dad said,
You guys
box
better
of
put that
bees.
back. It's a bit jumbly in the old tractor.
Okay, we can walk it back.
Well done. Yeah.
There they are, shaking hands, saying well done. And there you go. That is the full cycle of getting a swarm of bees out of a tree. Where was it? Amazing, eh? Okay, goodbye. Dad is stuck in the tractor. He can't get out. As you can see, the wheel is spinning like mad. But he can't get out. As he tries to go backwards, all it does is makes it worse. I hope he's not going to end up in the ditch. This is the worst thing that can happen.
No, not really.
Oh, it looks like we're all walking.
It's not helpful and it's scary. But
Can we get this board leading up to there?
come.
Okay. Come round here, Sean.
Yeah. This is so cold. What's the matter? Oh, you should put shoes on.
Why?
Be careful because there will be bees going everywhere. Okay. Yeah. Box full of bees.
Out, out.
Give it. Come here.
Hey, let's see.
And we get the tape off the other one.
This one?
Yeah. Because we need to dump them down at the same time.
So put your hand on the top in the middle. It's okay, Anise. They won't be angry.
You're not going to sting me?
No, they're not going to sting you. Pip here. Pip here. Ah. Okay.
Okay, these guys are a little bit upset. That's okay, that's allowed.
Oh. So do you know when they're like this
Yeah,
and they're looking for a hive,
yeah.
they're actually really pretty.
Okay, they are a little bit annoyed.
Oh, are they?
So step back a bit.
You step back a bit then.
That's all I have for this event. By the way, this amazing young lady who narrated over is Anise. She was the most lovable girl I ever seen. I wish she was my daughter. Thank you, Anise. You made this experience unforgettable.